You as you enter, there's a space to the right of the door and a space to the left of the door. High ceilings. Bar over here to the left is made out of concrete. There is a room here that goes around, connects with a second room. There are lights in these rooms. This is the bar and the backdrop. The kegerators do not stay. They are owned by Fire Mountain. Fans all throughout. There's 12 tons of air on this side. Air conditioning. Concrete floors. The buffalo could stay. Sealable room for wine storage. It has its own chiller. That chiller is owned by Fire Mountain and can be purchased. So large back area. Total square footage is 2,500 square feet. This is the back door. It leads out to an alley. There is an alarm system. This is the bathroom. It appears to be handicap accessible and ADA compliant. This is the kitchen or washroom. It's got a triple sink and a hand wash sink, as well as a water heater. Room for a dishwasher. There's the alarm box. Here's a view from the back. Pillsbury is right next door.